What up, everybody? We're doing a VIRP Chart example here. This is a parallel circuit, and we're given one of the voltages of the light bulb, and we're given how much current is going through each light bulb. All right, so important to realize there's three light bulbs, and we treat light bulbs like we would any other resistor. Right? In a parallel circuit, they're going to get all the voltage of the battery, and the current that goes through each one is going to depend on their individual resistance. So we really need to either be given some information about each light bulb or be able to uh, find it from other things that were given. All right, so here we're off to a good start because we do have information about how much current is going through, and we do have the voltage of one of the light bulbs. So let's begin filling out the VIRP chart. First thing we notice, the voltage is the same everywhere in a parallel circuit, meaning the voltage of the battery is given to each of the individual light bulbs, right? The battery supplies the voltage, the light bulbs use it. And so we could put in the same number for this whole column. Now, what we know about current is that the current of each individual light bulb has to all come from the battery. And so that the current in like the main branch before it starts splitting up is just the sum of those three currents. And so 20 plus 5 plus 8 is 33, right? So now we're in good shape because we have two values in each row. And if we have two values, we can always find a third one using our formulas. Okay, so we know V and we know I. There's two equations there that have V and I that allow us to find a third one. And so we're going to use both of those. First, we'll find the resistance. And after that, we can find the power. All right, so there's the resistance. I just took the V values and divided by the I values. Remember, you can only do that in the same row. Okay, don't use a V and an I from different rows. And then we find the P values of power by multiplying V times I. All right. So that completes the VIRP chart. All right, so this is a circuit with a 40-volt power source, total power of 1,320. You can see the total resistance is less than the smallest resistor, right? And that checks out. Hope this helped. We have more parallel VIRP chart examples if you need to see them. So click on one of these examples if you need help on another type of VIRP chart.